Hello everyone! I recently went to the Louis Vuitton X, or the exhibition. It's an artistic collaboration exhibition. This was held in the Louis Vuitton Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive. It's on the north of Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I usually upload videos every week. If you like this kind of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you'll get notified for any videos that I posted. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any questions and like this video as
My friends and I went to the exhibit last Friday, and I recently uploaded my vlog, a Louis Vuitton X vlog. So check it out if you haven't watched it yet. And guys, if you are in LA, if you get the chance to visit this beautiful exhibition at the Louis Vuitton Beverly Hills, it's a must to visit this. I picked up this small item from the pop-up store at the Louis Vuitton exhibition. So I am going to unbox it right now for you. This is just a little something from the exhibit. They have the same orange bag, but they added this small tag from the Louis Vuitton exhibition for the artistic collaborations exhibition. They're open from June 28 to September 15. Please visit the exhibit and check out my vlog if you want to find out what it looks like. They have beautiful display. It's a celebration of Louis Vuitton's 160 years of creative exchanges and artistic collaboration. You're gonna be exploring Louis Vuitton's past and the future heritage. So Louis Vuitton X is a rich and immersive experience and an exhilarating exploration of Louis Vuitton's ongoing dialogue between the past and the future heritage. Anyways, I am going to unbox this right now. So this is the box, and before I proceed with my unboxing, this is the receipt. Let me show you the perfumes that the SA gave me. Paulina wasn't there. This is from the pop-up store of Louis Vuitton at the exhibition. So I got this sample perfume, the Sun Song. Just want to show you. So this is the Sun Song. Afternoon Swim. This is like unisex perfume. A guy and a girl can wear this. This is another Sun Song. So after the exhibit, they gave us this beautiful pen. It's from the Louis Vuitton X from the exhibit. So yeah, this item that I picked up from exhibition, special item from the exhibit. So let me open this. It's hard to open it. So what I got is a bandeau. This is 100% silk. This is a Cactus Garden bandeau. That's the item number M75892. This is currently unavailable online. You wouldn't be able to pick this up at any store, so this is only available at the pop-up store at the Louis Vuitton X from the exhibition. Let me open this. So this design was created in collaboration with Alex Israel.
This was created in collaboration with Alex Israel. This is the Cactus Garden bandeau with the cars and cactus motifs.
With all these cars and of course the cactus design, This is made of 100% silk, and what I like about this is the other side of the bandeau. It has this beautiful color of the monogram print. It's super beautiful. I love this. Love the iconic monogram print in a shaded colorway. So this is the reverse side with the iconic monogram print. It's very beautiful. It's colorful. Let me know your thoughts. So this is a limited edition exclusively for the Louis Vuitton X. I'll show you the print again one more time. And this is the item number. This is called the Cactus Garden Bandeau. So like I said, you won't be able to purchase this online. It's unavailable. If in case you see that online, it is most likely from another country like Australia or Singapore or Hong Kong. Let me tell you the measurement of this bandeau. So this is 3.1 inches over here, 3.1 inches, and the length is, this is very long. It's 47.2 inches. So let me know your thought, guys. This is just a quick unboxing. Let me know your thoughts. And I love to pair this with this beautiful pin from the exhibit. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Bye.